Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change group type to private or public in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now go ahead and open the group chat that you want to change the type of. Then on the top right corner, you'll find the group icon. Tap on it. There, you're gonna have to select edit. Once you do that, you'll see the first option. There will be group type. Tap on it. Then select public or private as you like. Then tap on done from the top right corner of the screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your group type to private or public in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.